हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज चंचल गुप्ता। आज मैं आप सबके सामने क्लास 12 केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर नंबर 9 अमीन्स CBSE 2020 सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन जो है हम सॉल्व करेंगे। नाउ सी दिस क्वेश्चन। एन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड A with molecular formula C7H7NO with bromine aqueous KOH to give compound B, which on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl at 0 degrees Celsius to give C, and the C on heating with ethanol give a hydrocarbon D. Now, if the compound A with molecular formula C7H7NO with Br2 in presence of aqueous KOH, now this is Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Now this is Hofmann-Bromamide reaction, so that will be occur in presence of amide. So your A should be amide. A क्या होगा हमारा? amide होगा. Now after amides, compound B is formed which on reaction with NaNO2 in presence of HCl. Now the NaNO2 in presence of HCl is diazotization, means there will be the formation of diazo group. ठीक है. Now from the diazo group C compounds on heating with ethanol, there is a formation of hydrocarbon D. Now benzene diazonium chloride on heating with ethanol to form a hydrocarbon. तो A should be an aromatic amides. तो aromatic amides में हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? Now this is CONH2. Now this is A. Now in presence of Br2 aqueous KOH, now this form aniline. Now this is B. Now after diazotization करने के बाद आपका क्या बन जाएगा? बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड. Benzene diazonium chloride, and this is your C. And on addition of ethanol, there is a formation of benzene. Now अब हम इसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे? मिथेनॉल. And there is a compound D. So in this equation we can identify A, which is benzenamide, B, which is aniline, C, which is benzene diazonium chloride, and D is benzene. I hope you understand this question. Okay, bye bye.